Hi, I'm Cody. This is my EDL 852 Module 1 introductory video. I teach first grade in Natoma, Kansas. That's about 40 miles northeast of Hayes. We're a small 1A school, USD 399. Extracurricular activities for me include coaching high school football. I coach high school girls basketball, and I run the summer weight program as well. Leadership experiences for me include being a Lions Club member. I'm on the fire department. I'm on our community-wide Pride team, leadership team. And 3 years ago, or for the first 3 years that I was in Natoma, I was the summer baseball president. And about 2 years ago, I stepped away because my wife was pregnant and just looking to spend some more time with family. And then school involvement leadership experiences would be I'm on the PDC committee, the Administrative Advisory Council, and the Elementary School Site Council. I think I would like options, I guess, is the reason that I went to be an administrator. Or I'm pursuing this. And I don't like to feel stagnant. And so just to continue to be a lifelong learner and pursue another degree is enticing for me. And I would like to further continue to help my family out as well. So that is a little bit about me. Thank you.